What's the meaning of capsule? Capsule. Capsule.
Capsule. Capsule. A capsule is a small and compact container that is often used to hold medicine or dietary supplements. It can be made of various materials such as plastic, gelatin, or vegetable fibers, and may come in different shapes and sizes. Capsules are typically swallowed whole and dissolve in the stomach, releasing their contents for absorption by the body. They provide a convenient and easy way to take medication or supplements, and are often used for drugs that are not easily absorbed by other methods. Capsules can also be used for cosmetic products, such as skin care supplements.